Okay, write a question. Hello. Write a question. A game of chance.
Sorry. चल लेना भीग मांगेंगे
Okay. Here is a question. हेलो हेलो, आवाज क्लियर है ऋषभ बाबू? ओके ओके, राइट अ क्वेश्चन. Okay, write a question. A game of chance. Game of chance consists of spinning and arrow which comes to rest, pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are equally likely outcomes. Equally likely outcomes. What is the probability? What is the probability that it will point at number 1 A, number 2 a number greater than 2, number greater than 2, a number less than 9, a number less than 9. There are 3 questions. Now listen, how can we solve? Here is aspining. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now, what will happen? How can we get 8? In the table, in the assignment, number of 8 is given only 1. So it will be number of event, and total outcomes, that is 1 to 8, that is number of sample space, which you can say number of outcomes, that is equal to 8. First you write the question from the board. All of you please. Pragya, अंजलि, लिखिए पहले क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए बाबू, इसके बाद फिर हम इसका रिप्लाई देंगे. ओके? ठीक है, कंप्लीट हो गया. मिटा दे बोर्ड. लिखने में तो सब रिप्लाई देने में फर्स्ट है, लेकिन जवाब देने में सेकंड हो जाते हैं. जब दूसरा कोई रिप्लाई देता है उसके बाद इमीडिएट आपका रिप्लाई आ जाता है. Now I am going to write the board. Okay?
So diagram and question diagram.
Now here first question, what is the probability of getting A? What is the probability of getting A? Number 1 answer. Number 1 P, probability. P stands for probability getting a 8. Getting a 8. Here number of event equal to 8 and number of sample space, that is total outcomes. Then number of sample space, listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is equal to 8, equal to T equal to number of event by number of sample space, 1 by here event. Listen, 8 केवल 1 है, इसलिए इवेंट इसमें केवल 1 होगा, 8 नहीं होगा. नहीं तो ये काउंटिंग का 8 आ जाएगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 इसमें केवल एक बार दिया है, इसलिए इवेंट जो होगा वो 1 होगा. Then probability equal to 1 by 8. Now second, what is second? Tell me the question. Then a number greater than 2. What will be outcomes? Greater than 2, not only 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means total outcomes is
6 by 8.
total outcomes is
6.
probability getting a number number greater than 2. Then here number of event equal to 6 and number of sample space equal to 8. Therefore, number of event by number of sample space 6 by 8 equal to 3 by 4. 6 by 8 equal to 3 by 4. Okay? Write down from the board. Right. Now, online student, please tell me where of the board. Now, okay, very good. Now for third question. What is the third?
Number less than 9.
Less than 9.
8 by 8.
Less than 9. Right. Now third. Probability getting a number less than 9. In this case, number of events will be 8 because 1, 2, 3, 4 less than 9. 9 से छोटा, तो 9 से छोटा तो सारा का सारा है ना? इस केस में इवेंट बनेगा आपको 8 और सैंपल स्पेस है 8. Therefore, probability equal to number of event by number of sample space, that is 8 by 8, 1. Completed. Now we add up the board. Okay. Now we add up the board for next question. Now next question. Now next question is that a card is drawn one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards probability find the probability of getting number one, a king of red color, a king of number two, a face card, number three, a red face card, a red face card. Number four, all of you write down please. Number four, the jack of heart, the jack of heart. Number fifth, a spade. Number six, the queen of diamonds. The queen of diamonds.
Diamonds.
The queen of diamonds. Okay. Here is the question. One card is drawn from the well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting number one, a king of red color, number two, a face card, number three, a red face card, number four, the jack of hearts, number fifth, a spade, number six, the queen of diamonds. We know that total number of playing cards in well shuffled deck is 52. Out of 52, half of these, that is 26 card will be in red color and 26 card will be in black color. And we know that there are 3 cards which related to a face card, that is total number of face cards will be 3 into 4, it becomes 12. So 12 is the face card. In every card there has a 4 card like a diamond color, heart, spades and club. In these, diamond and heart are in red color and rest both, that is spades and clubs, are in black color. Okay. Spades and clubs are in black color, whereas diamond and heart are in red color. Okay. Now I am writing here a king of red color. 2 cards of king is red, so event will be 2 out of 52. Out of total, that is 52, the color of king card of red is 2. So event will be 2 and simple space will be 52. Event will be 2 and simple space will be 52. So probability, now answer of first. Answer of first, probability getting a king of red card, getting a king of red color. रेड कलर में किंग कितना होगा? इसमें होगा नंबर ऑफ इवेंट हो जाएगा 2 एंड नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस हो जाएगा 52. Therefore, probability equal to number of event by number of sample space. Number of events by number of sample space. Therefore, probability equal to number of event by number of sample space. 2 by 52 equal to 1 by 26. 1/26. Okay, write down. This is the answer of question number first. So all of you write down, up and down, both the students. Okay. Now for the second question, may I rub the answer? Other student, please speak. Research is always speaking. Okay. Now I am going to girl finish. Okay. Now for second question. Second, probability of getting a test card here. Number of event, that is test card. Total number of test card is 12. Total number of test card is 12. Now sample space will same, that is 52. Therefore probability equal to number of event by number of sample space, that is 12 by 3/13 will be the answer. Answer will be 3/13. Okay, write down please. Completed. Hello. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन थर्ड के लिए क्या अभी लिखना है? तो ये दिखाते हैं, ठीक है। नाउ फॉर थर्ड इज a red face card और प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या, किस चीज का प्रोबेबिलिटी? गेटिंग अ रेड फेस कार्ड। तो रेड फेस कार्ड, टोटल फेस कार्ड होता है 12। 12 में हाफ हो जाएगा रेड कलर का और हाफ हो जाएगा ब्लैक कलर का। तो प्रोबेबिलिटी गेटिंग probability getting a red face card, probability of getting red face card। तो टोटल इवेंट क्या बनेगा? 6, क्योंकि 6 रेड होगा और 6 ब्लैक होगा। टोटल मिलाएंगे तो नंबर ऑफ कार्ड 12 हो जाएगा और 12 फेस कार्ड होता है तो 50% रेड और 50% ब्लैक। देन नंबर ऑफ इवेंट इक्वल टू 6 एंड नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस वही रहेगा 52। देयरफॉर प्रोबेबिलिटी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ इवेंट बाय नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस, दैट इज 6 by 52, 3 and 26, that 3 3 by 26 will be the answer. 3 by 26 will be the answer. Okay. Board is clear now? Okay. Write down answer of question number 3. Answer of question number 3. All of you write down, please. Now for question number 4, the jack of heart. The jack of heart. May I rub the board? Now fourth, probability getting the jack of heart. The jack of heart. यहाँ इसमें हम लोगों को इवेंट खोजना है, क्या लाना है जैक ऑफ हार्ट। तो टोटल इवेंट क्या हो जाएगा, केवल जैक में जैक कार्ड जोड़ेंगे तो हार्ट होता है केवल एक, कितने में से, टोटल में से, दैट इज
4 जैक में से सर एक होना है टोटल 52 हो जाएगा आपका।
ये सर सही है।
हम तो वेल सफल देख के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब सैंपल स्पेस जब लेंगे तो टोटल कितना होगा, देखो तो 1 by 52। यहाँ पर इवेंट हो जाएगा 1 और नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस 52। Therefore probability equal to number of event by number of sample space. Number of event by
1 by 52.
number of sample space. Then it will be 1 by 52.
सर तो गलत है।
Okay? Write down please. लिख लीजिए बोर्ड पर से। फिनिश हो गया। लिख लिए। अब देखिए टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स होता है 52। हर एक कार्ड के 4 कार्ड होते हैं। हर 4 कार्ड में एक डायमंड होता है, एक हार्ट होता है, एक स्पेड्स होता है और एक क्लब होता है। देयर आर 4 कार्ड्स, डायमंड, हार्ट, स्पेड्स एंड क्लब। There are 4 cards, each has a diamond. Okay, now for this diamond probability getting a space,
4 by 52
getting a स्पेड। इस केस में स्पेड होगा 13 से करेंगे क्योंकि 13 डायमंड होगा, 13 स्पेड्स होगा, 13 क्लब होगा और 13 हार्ट होगा। तब लिखेंगे नंबर ऑफ इवेंट इक्वल टू 13, नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस दैट इज 52। देयरफॉर प्रोबेबिलिटी इक्वल टू number of event by number of sample space. 13 by 52, it becomes 1 by 4. It becomes 1 by 4. Okay? Okay, just I am concluding. Okay.